How to open a zip file on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open Files from your home page. Once you're in, you will see different locations of the folders here. Now, tap on My iPhone. By doing that you can access all the files that are saved on your iPhone. Now, choose the folder where your zipped file is being secured. Open it. Tap on the zip file. You will notice a preview version of that zipped file has appeared. Both the files are the same. Then, long tap the zipped file. You will see a drop-down menu appear on your screen. Select the uncompress option from the menu. Now you can see the file has been unzipped. So by following these very simple steps, you can easily open a zip file on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.